Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And today we're looking at an installation over a asphalt roof. So you can see here the battens are spaced to match a Decker shake profile. We find the rafters. You can see here where the line is. The battens are nailed into the rafter system, and that gives us good strength and a good bite. And then when we get to the edge of the roof, we frame that up, and then we frame the ridge up so that when the panels go on, they're actually cut and bent up and tacked. On this side, we have it already laid out, and you can see the Decker shake profile and how they interlock. And here we are ready for the cuts to go in. This, the 2x2s not only give strength, but they also give an air space. So we're adding about an R4 of insulation to this roof, making about a 10-degree difference. So you have beauty, protection, insulation, and security. And that's it for this episode.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.